Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to delete Exness account permanently. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So to initiate the process of deleting your Exness account, what you need to do first is you need to submit a written notice at least 5 business days before the desired termination date of the Exness account. Now, you could contact or send this notice via their email at support@exness.com. Now, using the account holder's registered email address, the email should include the following details. So that includes the account number, support PIN, and the reason for termination. Now, you also need to refer to the client agreement Part A, Section 10, titled Termination for a comprehensive understanding of the provisions. You can find the client agreement on the website itself. Now, upon receiving the notice, you will get an email at least 5 business prior specifying the termination date and a verification call to confirm the request. The email will also outline the regulations applicable to the account post-termination. Now, if you desire any expired account termination, you can indicate this in your termination request, but the company will exercise discretion in accommodating such requests. Now, on the termination date, you will receive an email confirming the closure of your account, accompanied by the account statements for all active accounts covering the past 30 calendar days. Now, any remaining funds in your account will have already been refunded to you, and should the remaining funds be below the minimum withdrawal permitted by the payment system used previously, kindly inform about the alternative method for fund disbursement. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.